Hello everyone. So if you want to unpair Bluetooth devices from your Android phone, here's how to do that. So first of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and locate your Bluetooth settings. So locate your Bluetooth, simply hold your finger on it and you will be put to Bluetooth settings. Alternatively, simply open up your settings, press on connected devices, and here you will locate your Bluetooth settings once again. So in order to unpair, simply tap on the gear icon near the connection and first tap disconnect. Now you're basically unpaired, and if you don't want this Bluetooth device to connect to your phone automatically again, simply press forget. Now confirm your choice and press forget device. And basically we are done here. However, if you're doing this due to troubleshooting and you just want to rewind the connection, I would also recommend you an extra step of basically rewiring the whole Bluetooth system in your phone. It's very easy to do. Open up your settings, then scroll down right to your system tab. Here, locate your reset options. Locate your reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Choose it, confirm your choice by pressing reset, and now they are reset. On some phones, you may be asked to confirm your identity. Now let's try and repair our device. So once again, open up your connected devices. Let's press pair a new device. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Great, it's on. Now grab your headphones or wherever you're pairing and make sure to put this device into pairing mode. For me, I'll just have to hold the Bose earbuds in my hand and press connect. For you, the process may be different. It's only up to the Bluetooth device. So let's check whether they're getting connected now, and if everything is all right, they're connected, simply press done and use them and enjoy them. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.